Okay, here we're asked to find the area of a square. Now, a square is like a rectangle, except all the sides are congruent. So this is 5.6 miles, this is 5.6 miles, this is 5.6 miles, and this is 5.6 miles. So since they're all the same length, we use the formula the area is equal to the side length, S, squared. So the side length then is 5.6 miles, and we square that. So this is a pretty easy problem. I'm just going to do 5.6 squared, and I get 3136. So the area is equal to 3136 miles squared. However, we're asked to round to the nearest tenth. So remember that the tenth is right here, and the hundredth spot is to the right. So since I have a 6 in the hundredth spot, that means that I'm going to round up. So then this is approximately 31.4 miles squared.